Butterfly Hill Nature Preschool is a magical place. We believe that children learn through playful learning experiences, and so we give children a lot of time to discover, create, inquire, question, be creative, and explore the world around them through indoor and outdoor experiences. We believe in development of the whole child, and the whole child is 6 different domains. The 6 domains of early childhood education are social and emotional, physical development, language and literacy development, cognitive development, approaches to learning, and creativity in the arts. In this video, or in this collection of videos, you're going to see evidence of all of these areas being met through playful learning experiences. So, as facilitators of learning, this is what our job is as teachers every single day, is to peel through all their playful learning moments and pick it apart and figure out how they are meeting all of these standards through play.
The big red wolf. Isn't it puff? Oh, yeah. And okay. Puffs. Okay. And blue Miss Marissa hat on.
In our daily preschool time together, we allow children to make choices about how they spend their time. And we have found after 4 years of doing this, that when children, or all people, are able to choose how they spend their time, they are much happier. And so we allow for lots of messy experiences, lots of creative experiences, lots of fun experiences, playing board games or bingo, getting their hands all messy in the sensory table, building with blocks, hammering with real tools, and if children can choose what they do, it turns into just a magical day.
I have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Come again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Butterfly Hill Nature Preschool is also a nature-based preschool. We believe in spending ample time outdoors to have the children really discover the world around them. And through these outdoor play experiences, they're connecting with the natural world. And if we don't connect children with the natural world at an early age, they're never going to have that connection with the natural world. And therefore, we'll never want to take care of our earth to make sure that their children will connect with the natural world.
I already went. It's coming. Dang.
Wow!
I did